let's adjust the brakes on a semi truck and trailer. So you pull the two brakes and you just push on a trailer, so it will supply the air and the brake shoes is gonna be free. But make sure you pull the yellow one of the truck so it will not roll away. So this is when you do the trailer brakes. Let's adjust our trailer brakes. So because I noticed it started to brake kind of bad, and I can see that there is some kind of gap that need to be adjusted. So you turning, so it's a 14mm socket, and you're turning it clockwise. And when you turn, that you can see your brakes are coming together. So there is no gap now. Make sure that your trailer is not on the brakes. So after we did that, let's loosen the counterclockwise for 30 minutes. Okay, let's do the starting point. Let's get a better position. So let's do 30. So it's 15. And 15. Let's do on other side. Let's see again, there is a gap there. 14mm. Let's tie it clockwise and let's release for 30. So I think it's about 30. Let's go on the other axle. Let's see again. There is a gap. Let's turn clockwise, and you can see how it's closing. It's closed, and let's do 30. Backwards. 15. 30. So now the gap is very small. Let's do the last one on the trailer. Let's release for 30. Okay. So this was a trailer. Now it's a small gap right there. So when you're done with the trailer, just pull the trailer and release your truck. So just push on a brake, parking brake, so it will release the brake shoes from drums, so you can adjust your brakes on a truck. Okay, now I'm working on a drive axle, taking the 5, 6, 6, 16, and there is a bolt right there. I'll show you from other side. Right here. So you have to tie it, but make sure for easy one, just make sure when you tie it, you pull this nipple out, so it will make your job easier. So pull it. Okay. So now we need to release, like, I would say like quarter. Okay, I think that let's do it again. Tied it. Let's pull it and do like quarter. Okay. Let's go on other side. Same thing. Can't really see it working like a blind. Folded. So pull it. Okay, so again pull it and release like a quarter. Okay, let's go to get the other two done. So we're putting the 5/16 right here. We're pulling this thing, nipple. We're tying it. Pulling it and do the quarter. And let's do this side too. Okay, let's release here, make it tight. Like this one giving me a little bit hassle. Again, pull it, make it more tight. Okay, let's clean this nipple a little bit. It looks kind of greasy. Okay, let's pull it, release on the quarter, and all set. Let's do the steer axle now. So we have a gap here, basically same the procedure. There is a 5/16. Pull this nipple here and turning it, and you can see how the brake shoes going towards the brake drums. Okay, so it's tight. Let's pull it again and release for about like 45, 30, 45. And let's go and do the same thing on the other side. Let's set the camera in good angle so you guys can see it. $5.16. Pull the nipple and go tighten. And the brakes. Pull the nipple again and release for 45. Okay, so we just adjust the whole truck now. So go ahead and check your oil, check your fluids, check your belt. If it's not cracked, ripped, and it's actually there. Looks good, looks good. Also with the light on, that you can see for the leaks, for the seals. Good. Looking good. I need to fix my antifreeze leaking and my sensor. Check for the level. All good, all good. Everything is greased up. No oil leaks, and we are all set. After you adjust the brakes on a truck and trailer, just push on two of them, and if your truck will roll backwards or forward, if you're uphill or downhill, it will roll. So it saying that your all the brakes is adjusted and they're not over tight or anything like that. After you're done, get your dirty clothes off. So I would say, if I would not do the video, I think it's about like 15 to 20 minutes of adjusting the brakes, and you have to do this like, who say like every trip, who say like every 20-30,000. So I would say the best thing before you go on every single trip, then just quickly check for the brakes and you're good to go.